Good night. 22 hours, 55 minutes, 19 May 2025. We are kind of under interference as usual. At the garbage seat, at the tiny seat, the same federative unit, the same institutional system as Brazil, public service, wholly criminal system by Brazil and peers caught in Brazil with commercial practices and excuses. The last thing we had, you please take a look, Risk Report 2026, trace, may.blogspot.com. Was the policymaker wide data attached under defamation campaign of those at the public service Brazil operated as criminal system with echoes in other area that have the same thing, like in United States, for instance, if you have the misuse of public service to protect or set crimes, you are just like Brazil, and both inside the Security Forum Brazil USA. The regulation of big blocks, because we had extraordinary object with criminals feeling so comfortable to set crimes in global scale, even at the state power, transferring the problem from the states, right? Have a reunion as concurrent criminality and pattern as variance that are also concurrent as the needs they have, including the fake records, right? This was one of the things we had. We can observe that they will make interference in your life, your private relations, setting defamation on procedure, believing themselves untouchable, and indeed they really are at the domestic system, right? Because it's the Supreme Court, it's the government, the House of Representatives or the Congress, companies related from the top to the bottom. And this, as you can observe, corrupted the flag and transferring the corruption to the big blocks, affecting of their flags or combining the problem and fails in other flags. This sets a statehood or a circuit in generally observed by the complementarity. The police we had was, since you had the identified notation, it's a notation on their own jurisdiction as flag, corrupted. Of course, they don't have self-determination and autonomy to apply the law. But the big bloc, as a statesman, do not have the endorsement for criminality as a statehood, must apply the consequence as big bloc, like the international police, for instance. In Brazil, it's very normal. Have criminal authorities committing crime and then trying, an assignment using a fraudulent electoral process or whatever to be with the immunity and prerogatives that the representatives have. The crime will have the period to be with an accusation or something like that, having the willing dealing scams as sharing values diverted they do, nothing will happen. And they will call investment around the planet because it's never enough scam on drug dependence and things we observe that are absurd, called since 2014 by OECD, IMF, International Police, UNODC, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes. The statehood operates drugs and crimes. Some of the crimes observed are narco, terror, when they do the biological contamination, the corrosion of the supply chain and channels of distribution of items or service, whatever. Service, for instance, with the clandestine communication set in your backyard, for instance, using your mobile telecom to be logged in their clandestine architecture, having, how much you spend as your own internet to be used the simulation of use as you, right? It's a fraud and a crime. And we have yet the items as piracy, fake currency, everything complained by the directory, counterfeit, international police, and IOD, the US Defense, observed the frauds at the digital and cyberspace that affect once in a while their flights that have the crash. and a lot of people will die, but they will take advantage of this as murders, opening the heritage procedure, or have the annihilation of entire family circle or social circles, or even an entire city or a block in your hood with an explosion from the subsoil as on the gas, leaking. And we have yet our other flags, because as you can observe, not all flags are corrupted or involved at the statehood in a range 0 up to 100, right? But the statehood formed with some of them indeed threatening them all. As a state, this is not a state, it's a corrupted and criminal organization. So the regulation is you have the right to apply your own jurisdiction against your own variable, or the big block statement and regulation against any variable as failed of inside the block, even without the assignment made as prevarication, commissive omission, or lack of capacity and self-determination as the flag. The big block is strong and must show this strength. Or all flags not involved, calling the consequence against the flags that have no conditions to operate, because sometimes they are charlatans, sometimes they are too weak, sometimes they don't have enough conditions or resources. And now we observe that we are doing now the police maker as something more specific, which is the reverted pool. Because when could observe in the past, these animals, like to use the power for their own advantages, and crimes making a lot of monkey business, and this is contagious. This was the pool scams they have, right? Considering the insider trade, observed show business, corruption, and they drip the money after have the amount of money, setting parallel pools or bunkers as clandestine financial circuits, feeding drug, crimes, prostitution, exploitation, until be unveiled the bondage, dominance, and submission that are tortures and murders. This was how they distributed the money, right? And they operated considering that you would have optimizations on it, even on the real-time follow-up. Of course, that they got tracked. And the pool, indeed, is the money they diverted from legal source, saving account of a company or national treasury, by the treasonous practice they do against the circles of interest, always having the conflict of interest on it. It's one of the reasons to have them identified and offered to the courts, as we did, listed as discredit at the international financial system under the defamation of this piece of shit inside the big sewage that had been doing the defamation currently on public services, right? And then we will have them simple like that, considering the proportion as the fixed debt and discretionary debt, relation debt and credit, indeed will show the kind of center of interest and decisions they have by the needs they do at the fraudulent statements and papers that are object of the counterfeit. But considering the fintech and the digital payments also having the interest extended to the IoT, because you need an instrument to do the fintech transaction, right? And then you have the conditions to use, for instance, suggested that the relational database, which is an asset on IBM, observed that looks like this architecture in Brazil violated the Red Hat, which was the asset by under purchase 10 million, which is the Kubernetes, right? Because they will use the Kubernetes to do transference about their own transactions in a crypto level, but it's not created for criminality because the IBM isn't a criminal organization, So you had the misuse of the asset as company, and you have to compensate the company at least in 10 millions, which is the value of the asset. The DB2 as relational database will allow to have the relational environment between the flags inside the blocks, considering the co-option as value. We did the optimization as value, okay, value, dubious, value, not okay. Indeed, crossed with the COBOL as architecture, demanded to be used and indeed fitable to be, a big troublemaker to them. And since we had this, we had them all, and they are in solitary ties, which implies that these arguments here indeed are a big bubble. Right here we have levels or a single one really big. The composition will be according with the kind of reply and responsiveness you consider to do against them. The solidarity ties, right? Having them finger each other little by little and having to killing themselves by listed offered systematically, or have them all in revolts, right? With at least one bomb, like a pizza. Sometimes I have, I starving appetite to eat them alive, but I can't. And this is the idea. You will have the statehood at the magnetic law, because it's a person as criminality or something like this, by equity, they can operate financially with the American transactions and standardized patternless businesses or international operations, including American companies. They will have the money diverted stuck. They can't have, it's a clog. It's a clog that you will have several bubbles concurrent at the clog form a unique amount, systematically set, or a unique amount considering them all to do the seizure, right? It's a decision to the court, this time New York City, with the endorsement as Supreme Court of the United States. Observe the preamble on FIFA. For instance, you can consider that you have the FIFA, and here you have Mexico, Canada, and United States. You will have this entire thing seized as FIFA, or Mexico, Canada, and United States as FIFA 2026. It's the extension of the amplified effect as the magnetic law. The first thing we're gonna have is the regulation. As on jurisdiction, big block, or all other flags, we are operating big blocks, and all other flags, Portugal, NATO. Observe the security for USA Brazil, leading to the criminal service of misuse inside the security for USA Brazil. USA having a lot of partnership in Brazil, including the European Union as the commercial agreement, and the commercial practice of Brazil and peers in Brazil had claimed by NATO as a fraud, like everything they do, include their lives as human resource, professional, the marriage, everything. It's a bullshit lie, right? By this they need fake records and get married with prostitutes and go-go boys, whatever, and consider that drug is liberty and entertainment is murder, or they are suppress your guarantees to make money on it. By this they are suffering the consequence. They are integrated as one big criminal group or several spheres of criminality systematically organized until have them all compiled in a unique thing. The values are codified here as trace language or binary code optimized, both created by me as my humble contribution. The agency 1% to use the suggested IBM DB2. You will seize the money, right? Because it's the clog, economic value of the criminal system. And then will lead to the crime lords, including the treasonous spheres, open list, and they will have, under capital punishment by law regularly applied by threat against 200 flags, or among themselves by the criminality, right? Which will slaughter and kill them and the entire family. Have a terrific day.